Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Microsoft Copilot app. If you're looking for an AI assistant that can help with writing, research, productivity, coding, and everyday tasks, you've probably heard about Microsoft Copilot. But is it really worth using? Let's find out. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered assistant designed to help users work smarter through natural conversations. It can assist with writing, summarizing information, generating ideas, answering questions, creating content, translating languages, and solving coding problems. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, Copilot aims to simplify everyday tasks with the help of artificial intelligence. One of the biggest strengths of Microsoft Copilot is its productivity features. You can use it to draft emails, write reports, summarize long documents, create presentations, brainstorm ideas, and organize information more efficiently. It can also explain complex topics in simple language, making it useful for learning and research. Another useful feature is its integration with Microsoft's ecosystem. Depending on your device, account, and subscription, Copilot can work alongside Microsoft services such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and other Microsoft apps to help improve your workflow and automate repetitive tasks. The app also supports image generation and image understanding on supported plans and regions. You can create AI-generated images from text prompts, ask questions about uploaded images, and receive visual assistance for a variety of tasks. Voice interaction is also available on supported devices, allowing for a more natural conversational experience. The interface is clean, modern, and beginner-friendly. You can type or speak your questions, continue conversations naturally, and revisit previous chats whenever needed. The app is designed to make AI assistance accessible for both personal and professional use. For users who need additional capabilities, Microsoft Copilot offers premium features through eligible Microsoft subscriptions. These may include access to enhanced AI models, higher usage limits, deeper Microsoft 365 integration, and additional productivity tools. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some advanced features require a paid subscription or compatible Microsoft account, and availability may vary depending on your region. Like any AI assistant, responses may occasionally contain inaccuracies, so important information should always be verified using reliable sources. Overall, Microsoft Copilot is a powerful AI assistant that combines conversational AI with productivity tools to help users write, create, learn, and work more efficiently. Its seamless Microsoft integration, versatile features, and user-friendly interface make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to boost their productivity with AI. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. Features, AI capabilities, Microsoft integrations, subscription plans, and availability may change over time or vary by region. Always verify important information using reliable sources before making important decisions. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more honest app reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.